How to fix Wi-Fi problem in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on or turn off flight mode. Open settings, click on connections. Here you will see flight mode, and if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button, and if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. By this button you can turn on or turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart router. After restart router, again open settings, turn on or turn off Wi-Fi connection. Now here you will see Wi-Fi, turn on or turn off Wi-Fi. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi problem in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.